Hi, my little friends of class 1. How are you? I hope and believe that you are safe at home, but little boring. Okay, I came in front of you with grammar. We can call fun. Today we will learn two sections of Junior English from Junior English book. I think that you will enjoy learning this Junior English two sections, and really I can tell you that these two sections are very funny and easy to use. Okay, so no more delay. Let's go to our studies or materials. Okay, you please take your books, then pen, then khata, sheet, etc. Whatever you need related to these subjects. Okay, let's go to our book section. Okay, today Junior English section A and C together, same thing, mixed up, and page number you see 51. So what to do? Write the contraction form of the not words. So today we will contract two words. From that two word only not we will make short, that is called contraction. Okay, I'm giving you the clue. Suppose here does, then N comma T, this O will be all knotted, O will be omit, and there we will put comma or write comma. This is the clue. But there are some very few which is not following the rules. Okay, I will remind you in that number. Okay, number one, very interesting, does not. So here first you write does, D-O-E-S, and then N apostrophe T, does not. Very easy. Okay, second one, are not, right? R-A-R-E, are, then N apostrophe T, like this. Is it funny, right? Okay, and easy to you too. Okay, then has not. Okay, has, complete has, and then N apostrophe T, apostrophe instead of O, so O is omit. Okay, then is not, isn't, right? Is, then N, isn't. Is it not easy? Okay, so have not, here have, then N apostrophe T. Okay, then shall not, here the exception. My dear students, you please be attentive here. Shall not, not shalln't, shan't have here, shan't, S-H-A-N, shan't, like this. Okay, then will not, here won't, these two, remember these two is exceptional, shan't, and here won't, W-O-N apostrophe T. So these two are not following the tradition, I mean rules of omitting O. Here first word little change. Okay, then do not, do same, do not, then cannot, C-A-N, cannot, can't, we can say don't, then was not, same, was not, then were not, W-E-R-E-N, were not, then did not, D-I-D-N, apostrophe T, didn't, we can call didn't, had not, H-A-D-N apostrophe, hadn't. Okay, then could not, could, C-O-U-L-D, could, then same, couldn't, then wouldn't, same, W-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T, wouldn't, and then shouldn't, should not. SHOULDN', shouldn't. And dear students, is it not easy? So I think that it is very interesting and easy to you. Okay, let us go to section, another section, that is B. Join the, oh here little erased. Join the two bold words to make one word. So it's the word that is, we will add two words. Which one is bold? But here I underlined, but during the exam I will make it bold. So don't worry. But now we will learn underline. So here these two underlined word you make one word. Make together and make one word. So here the clue is last word you write first. Here suppose egg head. So which one? Egg head. No. Last one you write first. Okay. Then HEAD, headache, ACHE. This is one word. Headache means matha batha. Okay. Then next. So you can follow this easy rule. Last word, underlining last word you write first, and then you do very easily, without tension. Okay. A mill which is worked by the wind. Then last one first. Wind. Wind mill. Here. Okay, then third number, the land at the side of the sea. Then seaside. SEASIDE, seaside. Okay, then bin in which dust is put. Then last word, put. Dust. Oh, sorry. Here underline this one. Okay, then dust bin. Dust. DUSTBIN. Dustbin. Is it not easy? Okay. So number 5. A shoe for a horse. So horse shoe. Yes. Horse. 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 Shoe. SHOE. Horse shoe. Okay. Then number 6. A bag carried in the hand. So hand bag. Hand bag. Here and the hand bag. Yes. Okay. This row last number. A paper in which news is printed. Newsprint. Newsprint. Okay. NEWS. Newsprint. PRINT. Newsprint. Okay, then number 8. A room for a bed. Very easy. Bedroom. 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 So second last, number 9. A ball game which is played. A ball game which is played. So which one? With the foot. Last one, foot, then ball. Here right, foot, FWT, foot, ball. Okay. We are at the last number of this section, number 10. The bell on a door. We are very acquainted with this word. When we enter in a room or any house, so what do? We press the bell on the door. So here the bell on a door. Last one, door bell. DOOR, door bell. DEW. Okay. I think that you got the idea and you learned these 2 sections. with enjoyment. So no more today, dear students. You please go through this several times. I think that it's very easy to you, and you have gone through also. And what the sheet I have given you to complete this, two more videos we will see. Okay, so no more today. You please be at home and safe. I wish all the best to